Hey guys, my name is Mark Steele. I'm the broker of record for Justo Inc. Brokerage, a real estate brokerage based out of North York, Ontario. In today's video, we're focusing on buyers. Now, if you're just getting started in the process, I always tell my buyers it's going to be a lot easier to know exactly what you're looking for before you start your search. And so in our Justo ebook, which you will find on our website, I've outlined 10 different points that are going to help you to really narrow down what you're looking for before you get on the road and start your searches. So these points include things like consider the size of the home that you're looking for. Next, consider the age of the home that you're looking for. After that, consider how much maintenance this property is going to take, whether it's a very low maintenance or high maintenance property. Next, you can consider what kind of upgrades and renovations have been made for that home as well. Whether you want a backyard or a garden is something else you can consider. And of course, you want to know if it's close to schools, if it's close to work, if it's going to be close to your friends and family, and what the quality of all those things are, the workspaces, the shopping spaces, restaurants, and schools. And finally, what most people want to consider nowadays is the quiet or the privacy in the area, whether you're living in a very busy street or maybe a cul-de-sac that doesn't have any through traffic so you can have your kids playing on the streets. All right, so these are 10 very quick points, and there might be more or less for you depending on what your needs are right now. But check out the ebook on the Justo Inc. website and look for the buyer section. Everything that you need is going to be on there to help you start your search for your next property. If you have any questions, feel free to get in touch with us. And again, I am Mark Steele, broker of record for Justo Inc. Brokerage. We'll talk to you very soon.